Hey guys, just a quick little helpful tip, if you would. I did forget to put this guy, the the bolt in when I was changing my cams, and this spring-loaded portion of the gear um, skip one skip one tooth, and I was having that diesel sound, that knocking. Did find out that if this isn't loaded into the position and in the clockwise from this end right here, if it isn't loaded clockwise one tooth over, then it will give you that sound. Um, Real quick, easy fix though, if it does help anybody out. I did find that a pair of the oil can, the wrench, a pair of these actually will easily fix this, because it does have the serrated teeth on it. It does pretty much fit exactly onto these right here, and all you need is a crescent wrench to hold it down. Just position it, give it some leverage, and it does move if you will, really quick. Kind of finagle it and show you, but just make sure it's good and clean. I did wipe these down too as well. Position them on there to where it's good, and it's not going to skip, burr the teeth, or burr the gears. Try and do this with one hand, but if you look real close though, it does become loose. Let me try to get this real quick. Again, it'll be, when it jumps and skips back over, if you don't have it in the correct spot, it'll be about right here. All you got to do is just use these, pull it back down about one more over to where you can get it back in, and you'll feel it actually fall into place. It kind of snaps too as well. Try to get this going again. Pretty much done. Back in, just reinstall your cam, line everything back up, and tighten everything down, torque everything down, and once you're done, just go ahead and take this one back out and reinstall your timing belt. Hope it helps.